To 2-Minute Tuesday. I'm Barb with Master Graphics. And this morning I want to talk to you a little bit about this particular part that was just printed with the MultiJet 3D printer from 3D Systems. MultiJet printing actually is a process that jets multiple jets of acrylate plastic through an industrial print head. And this happens to be a part that's printed for a customer of mine, type of acrylate tan material. So I just thought that this was pretty intriguing, nice detail. If you notice, every corner is squared off. There's no what I call stair stepping with some of the parts. You take a look at the other half of this. Same thing, right? Every square, look at the circle. Every circle is completely round. There's no oval shapes to it. It's an exquisite part. So I just want to show you a little bit about what the actual material is like for this particular. Here's the material. If you take a look at the VisiJet M2R-TN, take a look at this. It's got 5 stars basically for accuracy, high temp resistance, moisture resistance, durability, and then of course it's general purpose, great for snap fits, great also for the medical applications. And then again, if you take a look right here at the opaque tan, which is this, you'll see some of the details about it, such as tensile strength, modulus right around 2,500 to 3,000, as well as impact strength 14 to 17, water absorption. So this really does give you some great details. And this particular part actually took about 20 hours to print. So here was the actual part itself, printed in the MultiJet printer. This is what the print screen looks like for it. So hopefully that gives you some great information about this particular part. And listen, welcome to 2-Minute Tuesday, and we'll see you again next time.